I'm Stacy and you're joining us for Tail Tip Tuesday. Today I'm in my kitchen and I have a tip for cleaning your microwave. So my microwave isn't too dirty right now, but if you'd like to clean your microwave without using chemicals that might get into your food, all you have to do is take a bowl with a little bit of water inside. Take a little bit of lemon juice. I don't have any fresh lemon juice, so I'm using a bottle, which works just fine. Pour it in. Put it into your microwave. Depending on how dirty your microwave is, a minute, 2 minutes. I'm going to put it on for a minute and a half. And now we wait. Okay, it's done. Take the bowl out. And you wipe clean. See? It works really well. And that's it. Thanks for watching Tail Tip Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe to see more tail tips and to watch our daily shenanigans. See you next time.